Imagine turning $1,000 into over $10,000 without doing anything extra, just by letting it sit. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. This is called compound interest, and it's the most powerful tool in personal finance. Today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, why starting early matters, and how you can use it to grow your money in 2026. But before we start, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified professional before making financial decisions. So what is compound interest? Simply put, it's interest on your money plus interest on the interest your money has already earned. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first it's small, but as it rolls, it grows bigger and faster. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you put $1,000 in a savings account that earns 5% interest per year. After the first year, you have $1,050. But here's the magic. In year 2, you earn 5% not just on $1,000, but on $1,050. That means your money keeps growing faster every year. By year 3, you're earning interest on $1,102.50. Small amounts add up over time. Now here's the thing that makes compound interest truly magical. Time. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Let's make it real. Meet Alex and Jamie. Alex starts investing $2,000 a year at age 20 for 10 years and then stops. Jamie starts investing $2,000 a year at age 30 and continues until 60. Who ends up with more money at 60? You might think it's Jamie because they invested longer, but it's actually Alex. Just because Alex's money had more time to compound, even with fewer total contributions, it grows to over $220,000, while Jamie ends up with around $140,000. This is why starting early, even small amounts, beats trying to catch up later. Compound interest isn't just for savings accounts. It works with retirement accounts, stock investments, and reinvesting dividends. For example, if you put $500 a month into a 401k starting at age 25 with an average 7% return, by age 65, you could have over $1 million. Or consider investing in dividend-paying stocks like Apple or Coca-Cola and reinvesting those dividends. Each dividend payment buys more shares, which earn more dividends, creating a snowball effect of money growing on money. So how can you make compound interest work for you? First, start as early as possible. Even $50 a month now can beat $500 a month later if you start 10 years sooner. Second, be consistent. Automate your savings or investments so your money grows without you thinking about it. Third, reinvest all your earnings. Don't touch the interest or dividends, let them multiply. And fourth, choose the right accounts. High-yield savings accounts, index funds like the S&P 500, and retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs make your money grow faster. Of course, there are mistakes that can slow your growth. Starting late reduces the time your money has to grow. Withdrawing money too soon resets your compounding. And ignoring fees can eat into your returns. Even a small annual fee on an investment account can shave thousands off your total over decades. Bottom line, compound interest is not just math, it's your money working for you. The earlier you start, the more it multiplies. Consistency and smart choices accelerate the growth. Even if you start small today, you're setting yourself up for a much bigger financial future. So start today. Open that account, set up that automatic transfer, and let your money do the work. Your future self will thank you. If you learned something new, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Remember, in finance, patience and time are your best friends, and compound interest is the magic that makes it all possible. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.